twako jotelo gi mamoko e log tich mar riwruogno Nairobi. Moko kuom jotelo mag riwruogni motelo ne ng'anyo ma kawuono koni riwruok mar gavana osebedo kamiyo gi kiach kuom ndalo 44 ma gisebedo ka ging'anyo. Pod ginyono piny ni nyaka winjruok mar keto e tim ogirimiti ma higa 2017 chop kare, kendo bende nyaka ndik jochiw thieth mane okonyo e kinde korona e yo mongirore.
The government has refused to listen to us. We went on strike over 40 days ago today, and it is very unfortunate. Today is the first day that the COG has decided to sit down with us. Some of the issues that we have been advocating for, it is conversion of the UHC officers to PNP. It is about payment of our risk allowance that we agreed with the government in the year 2021. It is about payment of clinic officers interns according to the job group. It is about employment of more clinic officers.
So we want to commend the Ministry of Health who has been engaging us and still engaging us. But then the Council of Governors, today we're having a meeting with them. We hope that everything that we are demanding will be agreed. As we are very ready to even call off the strike even today, if the 15,000 enhanced risk allowance is factored in and agreed, because this is something that had already been agreed by the then Minister for the Cabinet Secretary for Health, Senator Mutahi Kagwe.